Let's pack out. Let's win this game.
That is your awful.
Yeah, what is that? It's so open with no cover. I'm checking this side, boys.
There's sliding
Up here. Got some better.
One's up
up
there.
here.
63 red on one. 63 red.
It's really good.
He's over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but back this side is better.
This side is also ass.
Okay.
Went towards you.
My push.
I'm watching. Yeah, they are. I think 51 on the horizon.
One bullet, one bullet.
Pathfinder's in the
back.
open right now. Running forward.
They're in a pretty shit spot. Oh my god, what the fuck?
100
We're in a better spot. We're in a better spot.
Let's keep playing the headies. Wait out. Wait out. One close, really close.
Two of them close. On the left,
Popping a minus 150. Nice. I'm popping the back. Win this. Popping the back.
Tier one.
Arms up here on me.
No, I'm dead. You guys got that. Okay.
One on him. Nice.
Hey.
What vibes? Good job, boys.
So talented.
We don't need the OW.
Oh,
I'm gonna try Overwatch, okay, guys？ 我试一下。如果你们不喜欢看的话，我就不玩。
Hey, 500 points. We ranking up Diamond 1.
Does Wally live in London? Yeah.